one day the lion come into the forest. But one day the lion come into the forest. He hunt one or two animal every day. He hunt one or two animal every day. All animals falls in the worried. All animals falls in the worried. What can we do? What can we do for our safety? As a plan, some animals went to the lion den. As a plan, some animal went to the lion den and said, "Oh King Lion, we all made a food one by one for you. We all made a food one by one for you." Lion said, "I agree with you. I agree with you." Then animal go to the forest. Then animal go to the forest. As a plan, today's turn is giraffe and zebra. Today's turn is giraffe and zebra. Lion hunt giraffe and zebra. Lion hunt giraffe and zebra. Then next day turn is deer and bear. Next day turn is deer and bear. Lion hunt deer and bear. Lion hunt deer and bear. Next day turn is rabbit. Next day turn is rabbit. But rabbit is very smart. He goes slowly on the way. He goes slowly on the way. He's on a old way. And he can do an idea. And then he went to the he can do one idea. Then he went to the lion den. Then he went to the lion den and said, "Oh King Lion, I will serve another lion." And he hunt the other animal. And he hunt the other animal. What? Lion said, "What? Where is the lion? I will kill him. Come with me." Rabbit said, "Come with me." "Oh lion, oh King Lion, here is the lion." Lion saw in the way. Lion saw in the way. He saw his reflection in the way, and then he jumped down. Because of water, lion came out. Sun came out from the water, and then he died. So all animals is very happy. So all animals is very happy. Moral of the story. Moral of the story. Trick is most important than the power. Trick is most important than the power. इस स्टोरी से हमें ये सूचना मिलती है कि हमारे सामने वाला शत्रु अगर कितना भी बलशाली हो तो हम उसे ट्रिक करके उसे हराया जा सकता है। ऐसे ही हमारे छोटे बच्चों ने एक ट्रिक स्टोरी के माध्यम से संदेश दिया है कि हम सामने वाले को हरा सकते हैं। गिव अ बिग हैंड फॉर स्टूडेंट्स।